Hi, welcome to Master Camtasia. My name is Idran Arias, and I'm the one who translated this course into English and added also some new lessons by myself. It's a pleasure to have you here in this course. I hope you like it. And now I'm going to show you the course's CV so that you have an idea what we're going to learn during this course. Okay? See you soon. Bye. This is the first section where we are now. We're going to install Camtasia 2020. We're going to take a look at Camtasia's website so to see all the tools that Camtasia has that can improve and accelerate our work. Then we're going to install Camtasia from the ground up. Section 2, we have the introduction to Camtasia. We're going to take a look at the whole program, all the menus that it has, all the windows, how the interface is structured, how to move in the timeline, how to work with the canvas, how to work with videos, how to have access to media properties, transformations, the project properties, and Camtasia's preferences. How to configure all these items. You can see that there are a lot of lectures. It's a very intense section and it lasts almost 2 hours. So it's not only an introduction, but it's how to begin working with Camtasia right from the start. Then in section 3 we have video editing tools, and we're gonna take a look at all the tools that we have to create and edit our videos. How to import media, how to work with them, how to drag them to the timeline, how to watch it on the screen, how to shorten their durations, how to manage different items, different medias at the same time, the order of visualization of every media, all the visualization tools, and all the menu options when we right click on a clip or any other media that we have on the timeline. We're gonna also take a look at all the options that we have in the media panel, and we're gonna take a look at all the tools that we use every day with Camtasia. So every time we work with Camtasia, we're gonna need all these tools, and so we need how to manage them. We need to know how to manage them. The next thing that we're gonna delve into is configuration for screen and voice recording. This section is very important. Why? Because if we're gonna record a course where we're gonna talk like I'm doing now, we have to have all the information, very clear information about microphones, how they work, how they function, USB microphones, condenser microphones, microphones attached to the audio board. So we're gonna take a look at all the microphones that we can find in different stores with all their characteristics, pros and cons, and different price ranges, low range, mid-range, and also those that cost much more. So this is gonna allow us to choose the best microphone according to our budget. Once that we have clear how microphones work and how to connect them to our PCs, we're gonna see how to configure it in order to begin recording. We're gonna see all the options that we have in order to configure it, how to reduce echo, how to measure the volume of our voice when we're talking through the microphone. And for this purpose, we're gonna use Camtasia's Recorder. There is a standalone program for recording the screen, voice, system audio. So after that, we're gonna take a look at all the options that we have in order to record our screen, how to record our webcam, web pages, all the tools that we have available for all kinds of screen recording. It's a super complete section where we have almost 2 hours of video tutorials, and we're gonna see a lot of tools that are very important that we're gonna use every day with Camtasia. Once we have mastered video editing, screen capture, and microphones, then we can begin working in a real project. So we're gonna see all the different formats that we can use in order to record a course and explanatory videos, and that's found in section 5. And so we have a lot of different options in order to record and to make our courses. So if we're gonna capture a web page, what's the best format? If we're gonna capture a web page or an editor where we're typing, what's the best format in order to have the highest quality possible? How to configure everything, if we need a script in order to record our course, our lectures, if we're gonna make a voice narration, or we can record directly the page with the script. If we're gonna capture video with sound or without it, maybe you wanna record a YouTube video, so I'm gonna teach you how to also record the system's audio so you can capture also the audio. Then we're gonna see different techniques in order to fix different mistakes that we can make during our recordings. So this section is focused on the creation of explanatory videos or video courses. So it could be online courses or video tutorials for products or explanatory videos. After that, we're gonna see how to configure our projects, how to export our videos with different formats and resolutions. After that, we're gonna work in a real project and we're gonna create an introduction, an intro for our videos. So we're gonna create a small intro with a logo. We're gonna also insert sound, and this is gonna be a warming up for the next section where we're gonna create a promotional video for our online courses. So here you can see section 7, where we have a lot of lectures for these promotional videos. It's one of the biggest sections that we have here. Also almost 2 hours of lessons. So we're gonna create a promotional video from the ground up. I'm gonna give you the materials if you don't have your own in order to create this promotional video. And here you can see that we have the final video that we're gonna create so that you can see the final product that we're gonna create. So in this section, in section 7, we're gonna see how to record live a talking head. We're gonna see how to create a script, how to make a narration, a voiceover of our own script. We're gonna capture web pages, screen recording. We're gonna see all that we can do with Camtasia and put into practice everything that we've learned before this section. Then in section 8, we're gonna see all the advanced tools that Camtasia has that help us enrich our videos. You can see that we go through each and every one of the tools that Camtasia has in order to enrich our videos and our contents. And then we also have section 9, how to export our videos, even though we will already have seen most of the techniques that we use in section 9 during our practical projects, but it's as a shortcut. If you need to take a look at how to export, how to set video formats, resolution, etc., you can go straight to this section within the reach of a mouse click. So as you can see, we have up till now 11 hours of video lessons. I hope you like it. I know that it's going to be very important for your work and it's going to be a reference for you for your future creations. Okay? See you soon. Bye.